We have 648 subtract 304. So we need to subtract 3 hundredths and 4 units. So if we start with 6 hundredths and we subtract 3 hundredths, that leaves us with 3 hundredths because 6 minus 3 is 3. And we still have the 48 we started with, so we have 348. Now we need to subtract our 4 units. So if we have 8 units and we subtract 4, that leaves us with 4 units. So our answer is 344. Now we have 761 minus 302. So if we're on 761, we have 7 hundredths, and if we subtract 3 hundredths, that leaves us with 461. Now we need to subtract 2 units. So subtracting 1 gives us 460, and then subtracting another 1 gives us 459. So we've subtracted 2 units, and our answer is 459. Now pause the video and see if you can subtract 108 from 416. So if we're on 416 and we subtract 100, that gives us 316. Now we need to subtract 8 units. If we subtract that 6, that leaves us with 310. So now how many more units do we need to subtract? We want to subtract 8 altogether. So if we subtract 2 more, we get 308. So we subtracted 6, then subtracted 2, so we subtracted 8 altogether. So 416 minus 108 is 308. Now pause the video and answer 842 minus 409. So we need to subtract 4 hundredths and 9 units. If we start with 8 hundredths and we subtract 4 hundredths, that leaves us with 4 hundredths, so we have 442. Now we need to subtract 9 units. So if we subtract that 2, that gives us 440. So we've subtracted 2, but we want to subtract 9. So how many more units do we need to subtract? We need to subtract 7 more. So we've subtracted 9 altogether. And that gives us our answer, 433.